This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Quinn. Open house April 24, 2022, 1-3. Welcome to River Village at Indian River Plantation. This highly desirable direct intracoastal end unit overlooks the marina and mile-wide waterway. River Village offers a pool/cabana area including picnic/barbecue and reading area for complete relaxation and enjoyment of owners and guests. The patio has been enclosed with impact windows to enlarge the living space for casual dining and protected unending views of the waterway. Updates include a new HWH, stainless steel range and amp, refrigerator, kitchen sink water purifier, Korean counters, new ceiling fan, marble flooring. Resort amenities are available including optional ocean club membership for golfers and tennis enthusiasts, plus water sports and workout facilities. Beach access is nearby with miles of pristine Atlantic Ocean beach to enjoy surf casting, beachcombing, sunbathing, kayaking and more. Rentals allowed after 1 year of ownership, 2 times a year. For more information, review the details below.